$1,000 off the top right now. Amarillo Air Conditioning is saving you money.
$1,000 off? Guaranteed?
And you get a refund from the Hot Deals on Cool Nights promotion.
And a refund? How does that work?
You get $50 for every degree below 30 degrees in October.
Wow, there's no one else giving money back like that.
Call today or get online for all the details.
Absolutely. You don't want to miss Amarillo Air Conditioning's Hot Deals on Cool Nights.